to another episode of GearHeadGirl Garage, where today I will be showing you how to take care of cleaning and lubricating your motorcycle chain. So there's a couple tools here. You have your chain lube, which you guys are probably all familiar with. So we're going to be using that. But before we use that, you want to get a good chain cleaner and a chain cleaning brush and clean your chain before you lube it. Otherwise, you're just smearing around a bunch of dirt and grime. So the easiest way to do this, you want to get a rear stand for your bike. So once you got your bike jacked up and secure, you're going to keep it in neutral, have the tire be able to move freely. So you want to read the directions on your cleaning can. This particular one, we're going to spray it on. I like to go ahead find the master link. So you're going to be looking for the link that looks different than the others. So this is your master link. I'm going to bring it back here. And you just start spraying. So you come all the way back down around the link, that way you know you have even coverage. For this particular cleaner, you don't have to scrub it so much, you just leave it for a few minutes. So we're gonna go ahead, let this sit for a few minutes, and then we'll go on to the brush and the lubrication. All right, now that we've used our chain cleaner, let it sit 5 minutes. So for this particular cleaner, it's done its job. We're gonna go ahead, take our chain cleaning brush, and just go through here, once again, find the master link, and just kind of scrub along. So we come back here, so it's cleaned all the way around. Some chain cleaners you're gonna wanna wash off, rinse off. This particular one we don't need to, and it's not that dirty. So now we're going to go ahead and lubricate the chain with chain lube. So we'll go ahead, bring the master link to right about here. Grab a little towel. Apply here. This is a foam cleaner. So we're back at our master link, so the whole chain's been lubed. Just go through. It's ideal to do this after you've gone for a ride and the chain is nice and warm. I like to clean my chain about every 100, 150 miles if possible. And then once you've lubricated your chain, you want to let everything kind of sit and dry for a bit. You don't want to take it out right away, else you'll sling the chain lube all over your bike and make a big mess. But other than that, once your chain's all good to go, go ahead and drop your bike back down. And you're done. So as you can see, quick and easy, clean and lubricate your chain. Cleaner, brush, lube, stand. If you don't have a stand, it's a little more tricky, but you can still get the job done. And that's it. Check us out online at GearHeadGirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at GearHeadGirl69.